Why is this boy sweating? Why is this girl fretting? And what is this man's problem? Maybe he knows that no one is safe in Summer Marked Big Christmas Wind-Up!
Welcome to the show that's winding up the world. From Studio 2 in Salford, it's Big Christmas Wind-Up. My name's Elise, and I'm not the only turkey on this show. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Sam and Mark!
People far below are sleeping as we fly. Children gaze open eyes, eyes, body down below, release their eyes, something
squashed me Satsuma.
Oh.
Hey, it's Christmas! Welcome to a brand new series of Wind-Up, people.
Yes, we are back. Oh, yeah, we're back. And this year, we thought we'd mix things up a bit.
Oh, yeah, we have got brand new games and surprises, and at the end of every show, you are all invited to our VIP party, the Weekend Wind-Down.
All right.
VIP, baby,
absolutely. But as it's Christmas, we've got some extra special treats in store, which means we'll be adding the word Christmas to every sentence.
Yes, the Christmas Overtones are here to perform their Christmas single.
Yeah. We'll be Christmas joined by Christmas Akai, Christmas Leona Vaughan and Christmas Amy-Leigh, Christmas Hickman.
And find out what Christmas happened when we took our hidden Christmas cameras to the bake-off tent to wind up Mark. Christmas.
So if you want to slice the action, tune in to...
Here we go.
Junior Bake Off
the cake.
2015.
Is he eating the cake?
But right now, it's time to grant someone their Christmas wish.
Audience, we want you all to wish really hard because whoever does the best wishing will be playing the first game of the series.
Yeah, and it could be any one of you guys.
And only if you really, really want it.
Yeah, so audience, close your eyes tightly and wish as hard as you can. Do it. Everyone.
Wish to Santa.
Wish to the elves.
Wish to the magic twig king of the Christmas forest and all of his jingle pixies.
Doesn't exist.
OK. Just wish hard, everybody.
Because someone's dream is about to come true.
Get off. OK. Who is it, Sam? Who's really putting some effort into their wishing?
It's Nathan!
Come on down, because it's time to play a game that we call the Special Christmas Game!
Welcome to the game that's very special and all about Christmas.
Clever, that. Now, Nathan, just now you were wishing harder than anyone else in the audience, but what are you really wishing for this Christmas?
BB-8.
BB-8?
Yeah.
For everyone who doesn't know, what is a BB-8?
It's an astronomic droid and it's got a ball for a body and like a little head.
It sounds fantastic.
It sounds awesome.
Well, Nathan, we're going to give you the chance to win an amazing Christmas present because one of these boxes contains a gift that we know you are going to love, my friend.
The other 4, however, contain presents that are just as Christmassy, but far less desirable.
Yeah, you must pick the box that you think has your dream gift inside.
But don't worry, Nathan, because you can increase your chances by eliminating up to 3 disappointing boxes.
Yeah, to do that, you must read the minds of our lovely studio audience.
We're going to ask them 3 Christmas questions. Each time you guess the most popular answer, we will take away one of the disappointing boxes.
OK, are you ready for this, Nathan?
Yeah.
OK, in that case, could you please put your Christmas blindfold on? There we go, lovely stuff. And it's time for the first question.
OK, audience. We want to know, do you prefer A, Christmas pudding, or B, Christmas cake? Please hold up your cards, A or B now. OK, Nathan, how did most of our audience vote? Did they prefer A, Christmas pudding, or B, Christmas cake?
B, Christmas cake.
You're going for B. OK. Oh, it's close, but I'm going to say you're absolutely right!
Nathan, you can take off your blindfold. So, Nathan, well done. That means you get to eliminate one of the disappointing presents.
Sorry, I kept missing that.
Now, we know which ones the disappointing ones are, so I'm going to come over and eliminate one, and I'm going to go for present number 1. Let's see what was inside. Oh, no! It's last year's Christmas turkey carcass. Disappointing.
You don't want that on your sandwich, do you?
You don't. OK, right. Nathan, are you ready for the next question?
Yeah.
Blindfold on.
At home, do you have A, real Christmas tree, or B, a fake Christmas tree? Hold up your cards, A or B now. That's pretty clear to me.
Yeah.
Nathan, how do you think the majority have answered? Was it A, a real Christmas tree, or B, a fake Christmas tree?
B, a fake Christmas tree.
You're going for B. You know what, Nathan? You're right! I'd probably say about 71.7% of our studio audience said B. Well done.
OK, so, Nathan, that means we get to eliminate another disappointing box. I'm going to go with this one, number 5, because it's the closest to me. Here we go. Let's see what it was.
Melted snowball. You can't even see it.
Oh, nobody wants that.
That'd be the worst snowball fight ever.
Well done, Nathan. You're doing well.
Audience, here's your final question. What is the best Christmas song? Is it A, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, or B, Jingle Bells? Please hold up your cards, A or B now. Oh.
Difficult one.
I would say around about 51.1% of the audience. OK, Nathan, what will it be?
I'm going to go with B for Jingle Bells.
You're wrong. Sorry, Nathan. It was so close, but it was actually A, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
OK, so that means that there are 3 boxes left, and one of these boxes contains your dream gift.
OK, Nathan, it is now time to make your choice. Which box are you going for?
Number 3.
OK, in that case, could you stand behind box number 3? Now, Nathan, as it's Christmas, we are going to give you the option of whether you would like to stick with box number 3 or swap it. It's entirely up to you. It's your decision.
We're laughing at, we're laughing at our audience. Don't know what you're talking about.
It's Christmas, hey, it's Christmas.
I'm going to stay with 3.
To make this a lot easier, we're going to get rid of 4 already. Get rid of it.
Yeah, we're going to eliminate box number 4 to make your decision even easier, OK?
What's
box
underneath
number
it?
4 was a disappointing present, and it was...
Reindeer poo.
Oh, dear.
Stinking the joint out here.
So, there are just 2 boxes left. It's Christmas.
Yeah.
So, Nathan, I'm going to ask you. You can have the chance. It's up to you.
It's completely up
no
to you.
pressure from
Not
us.
putting any pressure on you.
No pressure at all. But, I mean, your dream gift could be in box number 3, or... it could be in box number 2.
But we don't know. OK, so what are you going to do, Nathan? Are you going to stick with 3, or are you going to... go to 2? What are you going to do?
I'm going to change my mind and go with 2.
Oh, it's risky. Risky? Nathan, if you'd like to stand behind box number 2, then this is the moment of truth. I mean, was it worth changing the boxes? Let's find out. If you'd like to open box number 2, is it your dream gift? He smashed it up big time. So what is that, Nathan?
BB-8.
It's And just to prove that everything was above board, let's see what was inside this box that you nearly chose. Well done for changing, mate, at the last minute. Inside this box was...
Oh, the last Brussels sprout from last Christmas. That's got to be crispy. Nathan, you have been fantastic. As in the audience, he's been brilliant.
Also, you're going to be playing our end game a little bit later on, so you might win some more prizes. Does that sound good?
Yeah, very good.
Beautiful. In that case, Nate, get yourself down to the wind-down zone. Take BB-8. We'll see you later. It's Nathan, everyone!
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight on the wind-up wheel, it's Wolfblood's Leona Vaughan!
Christmas, Leona, you all right?
Yeah, I think I'm okay, yeah. Just like coping, a bit nervous, but, you know.
Don't be nervous. You're in Wolfblood. It's much scarier than this.
Got ya. Now, here on Wind Up, we are through with old-fashioned celebrity interviews.
So, we're turning things around, both metaphorically and physically.
Nice use of long words there, Sam.
Thanks, mate. I just wish I knew what they meant.
Yeah. Now, here's how it works. We'll be spinning Leona around until she's dizzy. If she lands on truth, we'll ask her a very serious question, or not.
But if she lands on wind-up, we'll give her a forfeit, and it could be literally anything, but it's likely to be very Christmassy. How are you feeling now, Leona?
Even more nervous,
Even more nervous?
Be a little bit nervous. OK, right, let's get started and...
Wind up the wheel!
Stop the wheel!
Where's it going to land?
Oh!
I think it's just in wind-up.
OK.
Just in wind-up.
OK, Leona, pick a number between 1 and 10.
4.
4,
Yeah.
OK. Good one. Do your best frightened turkey impression.
Good one. Get up. Come on, stand up.
Come on,
Frightened turkey. Do more of it. Yeah, good.
Very good.
Very good. Stop the wheel. Truth.
Number 3.
Oh, yeah.
Number 3.
Yeah.
Who should provide the batteries for a gift with no batteries included? The gift giver or the gift receiver?
The gift giver, right? Like, the gift giver, yeah.
You and the audience are wrong.
You should always have a secret stash at home.
Always.
There you go. OK, for the last time, it's time to... Stop that wheel!
We got it. Oh, so close. Wind up.
Fine. Number 9.
Pull the most Christmassy face you possibly can. Round of applause for that Christmassy face. Leona, that entertained us all.
Yeah, it's the future of the celebrity interview right there. Give it up for Leona, everyone! Not so lovely now.
Now it's time for our first hidden camera wind-up of the series, and this time, I'm the victim.
Yeah, you are. Now, you may have heard that Mark and I are the presenters of Junior Bake Off, the biggest TV brand in the world, just saying.
Well, Sam thought the Bake Off tent would be the ideal place to wind me up, and I'm sad to say he wasn't wrong.
Yes, this boy ended up with egg all over his face in more ways than one. Mark, would you please like to do the honours down camera 4?
Run, VT.
We are about to attempt the trickiest wind-up yet by turning the tables on our very own Mr. Mark Rhodes. Let's hope it's a recipe for success. On your marks, get set, fake! We've been filming the new series of Junior Bake Off, and Mark thinks that we have some additional links to film for CBBC. What he doesn't know is that they're all made up. The Bake Off crew are all in on it, as well as Ben, an actor who will be playing our director. For this to work, we need to get Mark on his own. But, of course, I've got a plan for that.
Hi, I'm Ben.
All right, I'm Mark.
Nice to meet you, Mark.
The other one's on his way.
I sent him a text saying, I'm on my way back, mate, but stuck in a little traffic. He replied saying, they want me to go down to the tent to block through, rehearse, without you. Just come to the tent when you're back.
Same for this one.
What he doesn't know is that I am back, at the back of the Bake Off tent, watching every move he makes. Let's see how he presents without me. Oh, and we also have another actor, Josh, who will be playing our eager yet not so bright work experience.
Okay, we're good? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hi guys, there's just 1 week to go before the brand new series of Junior Bake Off. There'll be this, there'll be some of this, and there'll be plenty of this.
I'm not happy that he's not even questioned that he's recording these links on his own. We've been a duo for 12 years.
That's Junior Bake Off, only on the CBBC channel.
Cut.
What worries me even more, he's doing it really well.
Our director now wants Mark to really sell the show using a variety of ingredients for a special promotional trail. But will he do it?
3, 2, 1, action.
Eggs.
Ready? Can I maybe just try another one just with the other egg?
I don't think he's cocked yet.
Eggs.
Okay, cut. Butter, grab a handful, hold it up, squeeze.
Butter.
Great.
I love the fact that when I'm not there, he just goes along with everything.
Yeast.
I know what you're thinking. If this trail was real, what would it look like?
That's great.
Probably something like this.
Eggs. Sugar. Butter. Yeast. Junior Bake Off, only on the CBBC channel. Yummy.
Mark Rhodes, the presenter that will do anything. Mark's oblivious, but will he film some bits that can be shown around the world? Let's see how good he is with foreign languages.
I don't believe that he'll buy this.
Meine Bodem ist sehr Jurkende and Fleckerdug.
Mark doesn't realise, but what he's actually saying is, my bottom is very itchy, I'm spotty.
Mein Bodem ist sehr Jurkende and Fleckendurk.
It's quite good, actually.
Great, that's fine with that one. No, that's fine. Perfect, well done.
Mark's about to speak Polish, and ironically, he's about to say, I'm being set up and have no idea.
I am man. Pojęcia.
Am I being filmed here?
That's the first time he's questioned any of this.
But he's still carrying on.
Jestem Vaughan, Jestem Vaughan, Jestem Vaughan, Niaman Piencha.
I'm not sure that's how it's meant to be said.
Right.
Sorry, Poland.
Absolutely brilliant, man. Thank you very much. No, I love that.
I think he's genuinely buying this. I am shocked.
Time for the main link, which I should be in, but I'm not. So, will he still do it without me?
This probably won't work in a single, will it? Because we kind of need to be both in shot at the same time.
He's got my back on this one.
Josh, could you maybe stand in?
They've just put Josh in, work experience, to stand in for me.
Whenever we're
Well,
ready.
it's Josh and Mark anyway now.
The Josh and Mark show.
Yeah.
Josh and Mark, is it? Josh and Mark.
Action.
Oh, that's your line, sorry.
Oh yeah, no, sorry, I forgot I was Sam. Sorry. Sorry, my bad. No, I'm sorry, it's my face.
It's all right, Josh, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Sorry,
It's
mate,
fine.
sorry.
Hi, I'm Sam and he's Mark.
And Junior Bake Off is back.
And we have a brand new batch of Britain's best pudding bakers.
So you're better than Sam, actually.
Oh, that's a credit, then, isn't it?
Okay, let's do it again.
Hi, I'm Sam, and he's Mark.
And action.
Hi, I'm Sam, and he's Mark.
And Junior Bake Off is back.
And we have a brand new batch of Britain's best pudding bakers.
Tough new judges.
And maybe the greatest presenting duo around. Sam and slice of cake to Mark.
Sorry, Josh, I didn't explain that to you. That's the stage direction.
Mark's having a brilliant time, but will he still be smiling after he's taken a bite out of our specially made disgusting cake?
Okay, and action.
And maybe the greatest presenting duo around.
So if you want to slice the action, tune in to...
Here we go.
Junior Bake Off 2015.
Is it in the cake?
And cut.
You all right, mate? Yeah.
Who's Manda?
You want some water? Yeah?
Bit salty, isn't it?
Yeah. Wowzers. Oh,
I don't think there's all wrong with that. I'll finish that.
Really?
Yeah?
That's very brave.
Josh really is a good actor because he's eating that and not pulling a face.
Well, the next link is outside. Thank you. Sam's nowhere near her, I assume?
It's going down.
You're not filling up.
He's still not questioning this. Let's crank it up a notch. While the team set up outside for the last link, I'll give Mark a call.
What a first day, eh?
Let's hope he answers.
The last minute anyway, so I appreciate you obviously staying.
Sam.
No.
All right, mate, stitch me up here, yeah?
Oh, mate, I'm so sorry.
We've just been properly, gridlocked, so I've just got out of the taxi because I'm literally 2 minutes away, so...
All right, mate, OK.
Sorry, mate.
Bye.
Bye.
The scene is set and Mark's running through his lines whilst he waits for me to arrive. Well, that's what he thinks anyway.
This is the most explosive episode yet. That's right, we're going out with a bang. And just here?
Perfect, yeah.
OK, this is the one.
You ready? And action.
We're just minutes away from the grand finale. Who will produce the ultimate showstopper? This is the final episode. That's right, we're going out with a bang. Right, mate.
You've just been smarked on your own show.
I couldn't even get the link right. I'm never going to get this out of my suit.
Right, have you been suspicious at any point? Be honest.
I started to get a little bit suspicious. Never. I'm the most gullible person in the entire world.
What about when you were doing the worldwide links? Did you not think of anything there?
No, I just thought we were big in Poland. Seriously.
And that cake that you ate? It was full of salt.
Full of salt, disgusting. But I didn't want to hurt anybody's feelings.
Oh, man.
It tasted horrendous.
Mate, we got you. We got you good. We got you good, mate. Hey, back to us in the studio.
That was so good. Got me good. Happy new series, mate.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy that, everyone? Yeah! Is Mark a fool? Sorry, we have got loads more hidden camera fun at this series for you, including wind-ups on the sets of Emmerdale and Wolfblood and a prank with our mates, the Vamps.
But right now, here's what else is coming up on the rest of Big Christmas Wind-Up.
We crank up the tension in Splat in the Box.
Amy-Leigh Hickman joins Mark's team in Carry Ho Ho Hokey.
And Christmas continues in the weekend wind down.
Oi, you lot, no silence in court. Please rise for his worship, Lord Justice Word.
Order. I've just sentenced a man to 25 years for breaking and entering. He was called Mr. S. Claus. You won't be seeing him for a while. Jail!
And the hotshot parent prosecutor, Samuel Barbara Nixon Osei.
I submit that you have a criminal record. And it's this. Sam and Mark's 2004 hit single. It's criminal. Make it stop. Make it stop. That's much better. Keep that, though. I'll sign that for you later, mate. No worries. Right, it's time to find out whose parents are guilty of criminally embarrassing behaviour. You're pointing at her? Her? What, her? Her? Her whose name is Gail? Hey! Yeah, we've heard about you, Gail. Now, Gail, I know that you're very embarrassing because once you got in a lift, didn't you?
Yes.
Who did you get in a lift with?
I was in the lift by myself.
Right.
Initially.
And who walked into the lift?
David Beckham.
David Beckham! Obviously, Gail, you wanted to impress him. But what did you do, Gail?
I trumped.
Oh, dear. You trumped in David Beckham's face. In a lift.
Yeah.
And this is your daughter, Holly?
Yeah.
Very Christmassy name, Holly. Was this embarrassing for you?
Yeah.
I bet it was. How do you find the defendant?
Guilty! Now apologise.
So sorry.
Now apologise to Holly.
I'm sorry.
Oh, dear. But you're not the only one, Trumpy Mum. Oh, no. I tell you who else is guilty. It's you, Indy!
Please join us in the wind-up courtroom for parents on trial.
Come on, Indy, down there! Down there!
Christmassy. Indy! Have you any idea why you're standing before this court today?
I have no idea.
Well, perhaps you need a clue. Mr. Akai, please bring out Exhibit A.
Indy, please open the bag and show the court what's inside. Or Akai can do it. Either way, I just want it out of the bag. What is this modern piece of fabric I see before me?
It's a top that my mum won at a dance thing, like a holiday thing.
You're saying she won this T-shirt in a dancing competition on holiday?
Yeah.
Interesting. What dance was she performing?
Either the chocolate or the chick-chihuahua thing.
Well, I think we should get Mr. Akai to demonstrate this chocolate dance thing to the court. Mr. Akai?
Everybody say chocolate.
Hey,
Everybody say chocolate.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Akai. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. I think we need to see Indy's mother do it herself. And she hasn't stopped there. Bring out the accused, Indy's mom, Kate!
Christmases come at once?
Yeah.
Oh, time to reach a verdict. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, do you find the defendant guilty or not guilty? Ah, oh dear. Indy's mum, Kate, you have been found guilty of criminally embarrassing behaviour. Therefore, I sentence you to the next 20 minutes listening to someone's dad snore after eating a heavy Christmas dinner. Mr. Akai, send her down.
Well, it would appear that justice has been served here today, but Indy, I think you deserve a Christmas reward for testifying, so we're going to be giving you a Christmas tablet! By Christmas tablet. I mean, it's a normal tablet. We've just put some tinsel around it. But does that sound good?
Yeah.
Excellent stuff. Beautiful. And that's not all, because pretty soon you and your family are going to be playing against Nathan and his family in tonight's grand finale, so you might win some more prizes. Is that exciting?
Yeah.
Lovely stuff. Well, you go and join Nathan in the wind-down zone. We'll see you a little bit later on. Please give it up for Indy, everyone! And a massive round of applause to our jury, the Overtones! They're going to be performing at the end of the show. Looking forward to that. Is everyone here enjoying the show? Lovely. Well, seeing as everyone is happy, it's time to play a game that we like to call Carry Ho 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 Key. This is the part of the show where Mark does Christmas battle with a member of our studio audience. Mark, are you going to be the star at the top of the tree or the lump of coal in the bottom of the stocking?
I am the star, and you know it.
Excellent banter. Yeah. Time to find out who you'll be facing. Come on! Max and Kizzy from Cheshire, come on down! Nice Christmas jumpers. I like them. They're good, aren't they?
Bit overboard, I think.
Max and Kizzy, hey, happy Kizzymas. Anyway, tell us, why do you guys think that you can beat Mark today?
Well, if it was against you, then I'd have lost already, but it's Mark, so it can't be that hard.
OK, now, there are two of you guys and only one of Mark, so in the spirit of Christmas, let's make things fair and give Mark a partner. Not me, because you would have won, like these guys said, yeah. Instead, let's hear it for Amy-Leigh Hickman, a.k.a. Carmen from the Dumping Ground! Come over here, you! Yay! Nice. Amy, are you ready for this challenge?
I think so, maybe. I think so.
That's positive.
OK, well, here's how you play. We are going to give you each, individually, a well-known Christmas song to sing. Sounds perfectly easy, that, doesn't it?
Easy.
Well, it isn't! Because we've changed some of the lyrics in a marginally funny way. OK, now, Max, you are going to be going first, so if you'd like to step up to the mic, please. Thank you very much. Your song is Jingle Bells. The lyrics will be there on the screen for you. Here we go.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to stuff your trousers full of hay. Hey, jingle bells, jingle while you dash. I stuff my trousers full of hay and now I've got a rash.
OK, stand here, Max, stand here. Audience, how was that? That was almost off the scale. I can confirm that on the audienceometer that was an 8. Very good, very good. Nice work. OK, next up, it's Amy-Leigh. Amy-Leigh, if you'd like to take to the mic, please.
Yeah, we got it.
Weird. OK. Now, Amy-Leigh, your song is Santa Claus is Coming to Town. Do you know it?
Yeah.
Do you know this version?
I'm thinking maybe not now.
OK, well, best of luck. The lyrics will be on the screen. Here we go.
Thanks.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus has purchased a goat. We saw it in the farmyard, he knew just what to do. He took it home and shaved his cock and chucked it in a stew. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus has eaten a goat.
That's what I'm talking about. Very good. Very good. Wow. Audience, how did Amy-Leigh do?
for? What's that face for?
It was good, but I don't think it was quite as good as Max's.
What?
Hey, we're going with the audience meter, and that said number 7. Oh, close.
Well done.
Thank you.
Kizzy, you're up next. Merry Kizzymas. Yeah, go on, stand over by the mic. OK, now, Kizzy, you're going to be singing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Do you know it?
Yeah.
Do you know this version?
I'm not too sure about that.
Well, we're about to find out. You've got Rudolph on your jumper. I'm sure that's going to help. Best of luck. Here we go. Cue the music.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny bum. And I know 'cause I once saw it, and it looked just like my mum. And all the other reindeer used to laugh at Rudolph's bum. Ha 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 ha. Look at Rudolph's big fat bum.
Well done! Nice work! That was good. Lovely voice. OK, so, audience, it's over to you. How do you think Kizzy did? It's almost like One Direction were here or something. I can say that on the audience meter, you scored 9! Oh! So, we've got a 9 and an 8.
So I need 11 to win.
There you go.
Brilliant.
OK, yeah, but 10 to draw, so that's all right.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
OK, Mike, if you'd like to step up to the mic.
Let's do this.
He took the mic out of the mic stand. What a loser. Why are you standing like that? Mark.
What?
You were singing the beautiful classic...
Oh, no.
Deck the Halls.
Oh, I didn't know that.
OK, best of luck. Cue the music.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la. My name's Mark and I'm a Wally, la 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 la. I've got hair that's very silly, fa la 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 la. I wear nighties when it's chilly, fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la. Bum.
Before we go to the audience, Amy-Leigh, how do you think Mark did?
I think definitely 11, maybe even a 12.
Oh, well, it doesn't go up to that, so good luck with that. Audience, it's over to you guys. How did Mark do? Pretty loud. That's pretty loud. That is pretty loud, and I can confirm that on the audience meter, you scored 2. Sorry, mate. Sorry about that.
It's a lot louder than that.
Which means Max and Kizzy are today's winner! And that means that you guys get the I Beat Mark trophy. There you go, guys. Share it. Hold it up high. Yay! Now, Max and Kizzy, it's time for you guys to enjoy the wind-down zone. We'll see you there a little bit later on. Give it up for Max and Kizzy, everyone! You go that way. We'll see you later. And also, a massive round of applause for Amy-Leigh Hickman!
I'm Peter Andre, and Sam and Mark are the most mysterious girls I've ever met. Watch them on Sam and Mark's Big Friday Wind-Up.
Welcome to our brand new spine-chilling game.
It's got questions.
It's got answers.
But most of all, it's got a big box with lots of horrible, slimy stuff inside.
Let's welcome back our star players.
Nathan's team.
And Indy's team.
OK, Nathan, please introduce your team.
This is my sister Abigail, my mum Adele, and my dad Dave.
Lovely to have you here. Indy, please introduce your team.
This is my mum Kate, my granny Christine, and my granddad John.
Excellent.
OK, best of luck to both teams. Now, this is a game of chance.
And skill.
Each team will take turns to step up to... The Box of Horrors!
Once there, you will have just 10 seconds to answer a general knowledge question.
But be quick, because the longer it takes you to answer, the more times you will have to wind up that crank.
For example, if you take 3 seconds to answer a question, that means 3 full turns of the crank.
But don't get one wrong, no, because if you do, we have a triple T situation on our hands.
But Mark, whatever is a triple T situation?
I'll tell you, Sam. It's when a team must wind up the crank for a maximum 10 terrifying turns. Nobody in the studio will know how many turns will make that box open.
But when it does, one team will get covered in slimy, slimy badness.
And the other wins the game.
Which means they will go home with tonight's star prize, a games console!
Now, OK, for our viewers at home, time to find out how many turns will make that box open tonight. And if you don't want to know, close your eyes around about now. Now, to decide who goes first, Sam here has a genuine 1 smart coin. Indy, what will it be? Will it be Sam's or Mark's?
Mark.
OK. Good flick.
Thanks, Matt.
What you got there?
It's Sam's!
Oh, OK.
Which means Nathan's team, you guys are going to go first. If you'd like to step into position, please. Now, your time will start as soon as Mark finishes asking the question.
Name 2 of Santa's reindeer beginning with the letter D.
Connor.
Dasher.
Correct.
Well done, guys. You answered that in 3 seconds, which means 3 full turns. Nathan, are you doing the honours?
OK.
Here we go. 1. 2. 3.
Well done. OK, please swap positions. Multiply the number of gold rings in the 12 days of Christmas by the number of French hens.
15.
Correct!
Well done, Indy. You answered that in 2 seconds, which means 2 full turns of the crank. 1. 2.
Oh, well done. OK, please swap positions. On what day of the week did Christmas fall in 2014? Need an answer?
Thursday.
Correct!
Well done. You answered that in 6 seconds, which means 6 full turns. Who's doing it this time?
Abigail.
Abigail?
Pretty much Abigail.
Here we go. 6 full turns. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6.
Well done. Teams swap positions. OK. If Christmas Day falls on a Monday, what day of the week would New Year's Eve be? Come on.
Sunday.
Correct.
Well done, guys. That took you 5 seconds.
Do you want to do it?
Which means 5 full turns. Indy, best of luck. Here we go. 1. 2. 3. Guys, unlucky. How are you feeling? So sorry. Oh, guys, you've been fantastic sports. Indy, don't forget, earlier on today you did win that fantastic tablet. So are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Lovely. And we're not going to send you guys home empty-handed. We're going to give you a commemorative Smark coin set. And we're going to give you a towel. Yes. Guys, thank you for being great sports. We'll see you in the wind-down zone. Go and get yourselves cleaned up. We'll see you later. Give it up for Indy's team. Be careful, guys. But Nathan's team, come over here. Round of applause for our winning team.
Well done. You have won tonight and you've won tonight's star prize, which is a games console. And you won that Star Wars prize earlier as well. You're having a great day, Nathan, aren't you? Fantastic. What do you think of that? Happy?
Brilliant.
Absolutely brilliant. Well, give it up one more time for Nathan's team, everyone.
Good Christmas for them. Brilliant Christmas for them.
Oh, it's going to get even better now, because right now, here's the Overtones performing Santa Claus is Coming to Town.
You better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice, gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. So you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. 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 Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is coming. He's coming. To
So good. Thank you so much for that, guys. That was awesome.
Fantastic.
That's it from Big Christmas Wind Up. Thank you to you for watching. Big thank you to our lovely Wind Up audience.
Brilliant. But the weekend wind down is just about to begin.
You are now all invited to our after-show VIP Christmas party.
Yeah, we're hanging out with everyone we've surprised tonight.
Yeah, Amy-Leigh Hickman from the Dumping Ground's going to be there. Akai from the 4 O'Clock Club's going to be there. And the Overtones are going to be there. They're going to do another song for us.
Oh, it's going to be brilliant. We've got games, we've got gossip, and basically we've got lots of Christmassy things.
You do not want to miss it. Let's go! Let's go!
Come on,
go,
let's
go,
do it!
go.
Let's do it! It's not going to work, is it?
No. Welcome to the wind down zone. We wound up the week.
And it's now time to wind down for the Christmas weekend.
Look at this. It's lovely.
Hello.
It's VIP, people.
Come over here. Now, if you were unlucky enough to miss Big Friday wind up, here it is in a 30-second recap scenario.
Here we go. We began the show by walking in the air.
Lovely, still got it, mate. We made Nathan's Christmas wish come true when he won a Star Wars BB-8 toy.
Easy for you to say.
Yeah.
Leona Vaughan from Wolfblood, she did an impression of a frightened Christmas turkey. It was tremendous.
Indy's mum Kate did a terrible Christmas dance through the BBC studios.
We did Christmas Carry Ho Ho Hokey, but changed most of the lyrics to bum.
And Nathan's family beat Indy's family in Spat in the Box.
And the Overtones sang us out. And we're going to sing us out at the end of this. Well, mind yourselves, I just nearly smashed somebody in the face with a card. Sorry about that. Mark, sum that wind-up episode up in the style of Father Christmas.
Ho, 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 silliness.
Okay. Look at you, silly turkey.
Hello, silly
turkey.
Who we got? Hey! Nathan, Indy, oh, God. Look at you.
Guys, you all right?
Good, thank you.
Excellent stuff. Now, on Big Christmas Wind-Up, you guys here at the back, you got a bit gunged, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, come forward! Don't be shy!
Let's do the dance move that you did before.
Yeah, Kate danced as well on
Fantastic dancing that was.
OK, we're going to see you guys a little bit later. Enjoy yourselves in the VIP zone, yeah?
Chill out, relax.
Wind down.
Look who we got here. Look who it is.
Look who it is. It's Amy from the Dumping Ground and Chris Johnson.
How are you?
Well,
Loving the Christmas jumper, Yonko.
Thanks very much.
Loving it, mate.
Don't get to wear it very often. Just once a year.
Well, exactly. Well, you're pulling it off, mate. It looks lovely.
Now, because it's Christmas, we thought we'd do a nice quiz all about terrible Christmas cracker jokes.
Yeah, so what we're going to do, we are going to tell you the terrible Christmas cracker joke. Yeah. You guys have to buzz in if you think you know what the punchline will be. Understood?
Yeah.
Excellent. Here we go. Christmas cracker joke number 1. Why isn't Santa working this Christmas? Buzz in, buzz in.
Buzz in, come on.
Come on. Come on. 3 seconds. 3, 2. Yonko.
Because he's got a day off, I don't know.
He's got many days off, actually.
Because he got the sack.
See?
It's so obvious when you hear it.
It's a comedy genius, man.
I never said that.
Next terrible Christmas cracker joke. What do penguins sing at birthday parties?
What?
It's good, that, isn't it? Yeah.
3, 2.
Let it waddle.
Let it waddle. That famous Christmas song, Let It Waddle. Freeze a jolly good fellow. Freeze a jolly good fellow. See?
Next one.
Bit of word fun.
Why does Santa have 3 gardens? Come on.
What do you do in a garden?
Come on.
So we can let it grow, let it grow, let it grow.
Oh, so close! So close! It was actually so he can ho, ho, ho!
They're getting worse. They're getting worse. What kind of athlete stays warm at Christmas?
A long jumper.
Yay! Okay.
Last one, here we go.
This is for it.
This is a good one. Come on, we know this. This is a famous one. Okay. What disease do you get if you eat a Christmas decoration? Come on, come on.
Yeah, they know. They know. Have a guess.
Tinselitis.
Yeah! We got there in the end. What a horrible game.
It was horrible. And Chris Johnson, I'm so disappointed. You'd be much better at that. Anyway, you can have some stuffing on a spoon and you cancellation prize.
Yeah, don't eat it though. It's been there for years.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you later.
It's the Overtones.
You are looking swish, guys. You make us look like, you know.
You look not so bad yourself.
Thank James Bond and everything.
Now, I love having you guys on Wind Up. If you missed Big Christmas Wind Up earlier, these guys sang us out, and you're going to sing us out at the end of the show today.
We are indeed.
Excellent. Very much looking forward to it. So you've got a Christmas album out.
We do. It's called Good Old Fashioned Christmas. It's out now, actually.
Yay!
Buy it.
Buy it.
So does that mean that you guys are busy over Christmas? Have you got some time off?
We're really busy. We're actually on tour around the UK, so yeah, really busy. We do get Christmas off, which we're happy about.
Good.
But, yeah, busy leading up to it, like you guys.
Yeah,
Well, you still got enough time to look as smooth as you do. How do you do it, man?
Ask us that halfway through the tour.
Well, speaking of Christmas, I'm talking about rubbish presents now. What's the worst present that any of the bandmates have given you?
Do you know,
Anyone?
Every year we give ourselves like a secret Santa, but we're only allowed to spend £1.
Oh,
so
like
we get
that.
some ridiculously bad presents.
Last year, I got a Little Mermaid shower cap.
Do you still wear it?
Truth be told, I actually really like it.
It does sound
All right,
great.
for a pound. Not bad for a pound, that.
One last question, guys. The last time you were on, we did ask this question, but things may have changed, so we want to know the answer. I think it was Mike. You came out with the best hair. Have you still got the best hair? It looks pretty good.
It's magical.
Lads, you need to answer this, I think.
Go on.
I mean, it speaks for itself, doesn't it? Look at it.
You know, I'm looking at the monitor, and yeah, I have got the best hair.
He's very modest, though.
It really is. Well, you're going to sing us out at the end of the show.
Yeah,
we love you guys. Thanks for coming on to the show. Overtones. Yes.
Anytime.
Really,
Overtones, everyone. All right. Get yourselves ready over there. We'll see you soon.
Hello. How are you doing? Are you here for our game? Celebrity Cookalike.
Yeah, this is a fantastic Christmas game.
Well,
play
no, don't big it up too much.
Yeah, OK, so we've got Max and Kizzy here. These guys were on Big Christmas Wind Up. You all right, guys?
Yeah.
Excellent stuff. We've got Akai. How you doing, Akai?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Chris Johnson. I can't believe you're still here after that performance over there.
Terrible.
And Amy from the dumping ground. You all right?
We're trying to redeem ourselves.
Well, let's hope. Hopefully you can. Okay.
Let's hope so. OK, right. OK,
All right,
do you want to
here we
explain
go.
the rules of this?
Right, what we're going to do, we're going to show you a picture of a celebrity in Christmas dinner form. And then we want you to guess which celebrity it is. It's pretty simple.
It is pretty simple, actually.
All
OK,
right.
Mark, you do the honours by pulling off the cloth of truth.
OK, first one. It's that one. Who could that be? I'll put it there. I'll put it there for you.
Who do you think it is?
Oh, OK.
Ed Sheeran.
You're saying Ed Sheeran, Amy. You are right!
Look at that!
It's like looking into a terrible mirror.
It's uncanny. Next one.
Okay,
Number 2.
next one. Number 2 is... Oh, this is good.
Who's that?
All right. We got carrots. Got a bit of hummus somewhere.
Wait, is that One Direction?
You're saying One Direction. Oh, yeah, there's 4 members now, isn't there? It's not One Direction, Amy.
Little Mix.
Oh, okay.
Amy, you, my love,
Yes.
are on fire! It's Little Mix! Looks just like them!
Absolutely.
Little Dips!
Little Dips! Totally redeeming yourself. Okay, next one. Here we go. Who's this?
This is amazing.
Oh!
Max.
Hacker.
You're saying Hacker. It's Hacker T-Dog!
That looks more like Hacker than that does.
It's
amazing.
It's absolutely amazing. Made in meat paste as well.
Course,
so I can
of
eat
course.
that after.
All right, next one.
Can eat that.
All right. Who we got here? Who we got here?
Tricky.
It is tricky.
Tricky, this.
Think. Oh.
Is that Shannon and Katie?
It's not Shannon and Katie from CBBC.
Think
Saturday
dancing.
night. Think Saturday night.
Saturday night dancing.
Oh, what are their names?
Come on. Just describe them.
Gotta move your
One
on.
with Olive.
Tessa
Tessa
Claudia.
Claudia.
I love that you said Ollie and Flack, Max. It is Tess and Claudia.
Yeah! Absolutely brilliant. Okay, number 5.
Here we go.
Here we go. All right.
Quick,
Here we go.
need to speed it up. Here we go.
Usain Bolt.
Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt.
Pass us
Number
number
6.
6,
Number
Albert.
6. Number 6.
All right, thanks. Okay, which one's this one? This is tremendous.
It's tremendous. We mentioned him earlier.
He liked cakes.
Paul Hollywood.
Yeah!
Okay, final one. This
Final
is for
one.
the championship
Tricky.
of the world. Really good looking, really good.
Oh, I was going to say you. Oh, Summer Mark.
Max,
Summer
because
Mark.
you're being like that, Max.
Summer Mark.
Tremendous game.
You should play at home. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you ever so much, guys. Right now, though,
Brilliant.
come over here, will you? Come over here.
on.
Come over here. It's the Overtones, everyone, in there.
Big thank you to everybody that has been on the show tonight, and a Merry Christmas to everyone. The Overtones are going to sing us out with a fantastic song.
I'm very excited.
Merry Christmas to you, boys.
Off you go, guys. Overtones, everyone.
I just did those same bells jingling, ring ting-a-ling-a-ling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for us stay right together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for us stay right together with you.
Ding dong ding dong ding ding a ding a ding a ding dong ding dong ding ding a ding a ding a ding dong ding dong ding ding a ding a ding a ding dong ding dong.
Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy and cozy are we. We're snuggled up together like two birds of a feather would be. And let's take the road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for us. Stay right together with you. Stay right together with you. Wap, wap. Merry Christmas!